So let's say, for example, that somebody sent you an actual gift card directly into Steam. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to redeem this in a very easy way. So the first thing I wanted to do is to open my Steam into my PC. Now, at the top right corner, you want to click into your account name that appears into the upper side. Then you want to click into this option that says View My Wallet. On the right hand side, you will see the link to redeemed an actual Steam card, which appears into your Steam account. You can see that we currently have no balance, but here have a redeem a Steam gift card or a wallet code. So when I click directly inside here, this should be sending me directly where I want to enter the code. So the code is usually a 15 character long. Carefully type all of them directly into the box and hit for the option that says continue. Then watch out for the typos. Nowadays, the front of some cards makes it easier to confuse the number 0 with the letters O, for example, or the number 1 with a capital letter I. Right, so you wanted to make sure that you type the code while explaining all of these common mistakes. So hit continue, and if this is the first time you wanted to Steam, it might ask you for home addresses to verify your currency and the tax region. Now, some troubleshooting on the region lock, if you're getting an error, usually it might be telling you, for example, that the code might be invalid. Please carefully verify the characters as you re-enter the code. Double check to see if you misspelled your key. As I just told you, the I, the L, it can be a 1, it can be a B to Y, or a 0 to O, so make sure that you have carefully verified all of those characters. Something else is that the code might not be yet activated, so it may take several hours before the actual activation of the actual purchase, depending on where you actually bought it. And if the currency of the code you are attempting to redeem is different than the region in which you are located, you might not be able to redeem this card to your account. So if this is the case, we needed to return this code to retail where it was purchased, unfortunately. So, and if none of this actually works for you, you're going to click for the option that says Steam Support for further assistance. So there you actually go. Your balance is now updated, so grab the game that you have been liking and go and have some fun. If you wanted to know how to send digital gift cards directly to your friend account, you can let us know in the comments below so we can help you in the future with this kind of videos. Thank you once again for watching, guys. Hopefully we can all see you well next time.